This dance is called My Happy Place. It's a 32 count, full wall, high beginner level line dance with one step change and one restart. Starting on the right foot, cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Cross left over right, point the right to the side. Cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on the left. That set of steps once more then. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Into a cha-cha-cha step, 1 and 2 count timing steps, basically stepping on the spot, bring the right beside the left as you step right, left, right. Into a little weave, left foot leading, cross the left over the right, right to the side, left behind, step right to the side. That set of steps once more then, side rock cha-cha off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side. Sound that to the top. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side. Cross rock left over right, recover your weight onto the right. Cha-cha-cha, in place again, these 1 and 2 count timing steps, you bring the left beside the right, right, left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself 1/8 of a turn to the left. So you should now be facing the 10-30 diagonal, so that left diagonal corner. Step forward on the right again, pivot yourself another 1/8 of a turn to the left. So you should now be facing the side wall. That set of steps once more then, cross rock cha-cha-cha off on the left. 7, 8, cross rock cha-cha-cha, step, pivot. 1/8 of a turn each. So add that to the top. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, step, pivot. Into a jazz box with a touch. So you're going to cross the right over left, step back on the left, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Which is jazz box with a touch. Step the left to the side, right beside left, chassé to the left, 1 and 2 count timing steps, stepping the left to the side, right beside left, left to the side. That set of steps once more then, jazz box, off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, touch, side, close, left chassé. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, step, pivot. Cross, back, side, touch, side, close, left chassé. That's your dance. Now there are a few hand counts in it, so I'll go through it with the counts so you can see exactly where they fit in. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So not many hand counts, but hopefully you can see exactly where they fit in. Now it is 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And now I'm going to speed it up a bit as we go around, because the music is just that little bit faster. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock. Side, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side. Cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, step, pivot, cross, back, side, touch, side, close, left chasse, cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, step, pivot, cross, back, side, touch, side, close, left chasse, cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, step, pivot, cross, back, side, touch, side, close, left chasse. So that is your dance. Now there is one little step change and restart in this dance. It comes on wall 8 after 24 counts, so just before you get to your jazz box. The step change is quite simple. Rather than doing the jazz box with a touch, you do a jazz box and bring the feet together. So it's just a standard jazz box. Cross, back, side, close. So normal jazz box instead of a jazz box touch. That is your step change, and then you restart. So wall 8 is our 3 o'clock wall. Let's have a go at wall 8. Take you up to 24 counts. You do your jazz box, no touch, you bring the feet together and restart. 24 counts, step change, restart. Cross point off on the right. 7, 8. Cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, step, pivot. Add on your step change, cross, back, side, close, restart, cross, point. So that's your step change, restart points. You change your jazz box touch just from normal jazz box, restart wall 8 after 24 counts. So that is it. That is your dance. It's your walkthrough, it's your step change and restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock, side, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, step, pivot, cross, back, side, touch, side, close, left, chasse, cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock, side, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, step, pivot, cross, back, side, touch, side, close, left, chasse, cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock, side, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, back, behind, side, cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, step, pivot, cross, back, side, touch, side, close, left, chasse, cross, point, behind, side, cross, rock, side, rock, cha-cha-cha, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, cha-cha-cha, step, pivot, cross, back, side, touch, side, close, chasse, Cross points.
Beach, swig and shine, made a peach.
Side rock.
Just wanna put my life on like that. I
Cross
ain't
rock.
reading no texts from my boss or my ex.
Jazz.
Watching that sunset drop down.
Cross points.
Oh, 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 oh.
Side rock.
Oh, 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 oh. Got it made in the
Cross rock.
shade. In my happy
Jazz.
place.
Cross rock. Points. Side rock. Cross rock. Jazz.
Oh, 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 oh. Smooth living.
Cross
Oh,
points. Should we start more?
like sipping.
Side rock.
No, 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 no complaining. The moon is rising. I'm just hanging.
Jazz rocks. Restart. Cross points.
Beach, we can shine, make a peach. Just wanna put my life on the podcast. I ain't reading no texts from my boss or my ex. Watching that sunset drop down. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Got it made in the shade. In my happy place.
Hope you managed that one.